In a sunlit kitchen, a curious narrator unveils 5 safe experiments that turn everyday items into discoveries for curious minds everywhere. First, a glass rainbow demonstrates pH, using red cabbage juice to reveal acids and bases for curious minds. Second, a balloon experiment shows gas expansion as warm air rises, with careful, kid-friendly steps for curious minds. Third, a homemade compass with needle and cork sparks interest in Earth's magnetic fields for curious explorers. Fourth, leaf ink prints reveal pigment chemistry under sunlight, while the final crystallizes sugar in a quiet bowl for curious explorers.